Hey guys, this is Mr. H. I'm doing question number 2 from the June 2024 Algebra 1 Regents exam. This one is just testing your knowledge of some keywords and how to come up with equations or inequalities in this case. Now, we haven't done a lot of word problems with linear inequalities. Most of the time when we do word problems, they've been linear equations. But what I wanted to show you is that there's just 2 keywords that you need to focus on, and I'm going to circle them. So it says, let me read this. It says a tour bus can seat at most 48 passengers. An adult ticket costs $18 and a child's ticket costs $12. The bus company must collect at least $650 to make a profit. If A represents the number of adult tickets sold and C represents the number of children's tickets sold, which system of inequalities models this situation if they make a profit? All right, so now the key words that you need to focus on, and the reason that you know this is going to be an inequality is because of this word right here, these words, at most and at least. Let me see if I can make that a little cleaner. At least. Okay, well, all right, so what does at most mean? So if I said this bus can seat at most 48 passengers, that means I can have 1 passenger, 2 passengers, 3 passengers, 4 passengers, all the way up to 48. If I have 49, I'm going to lose 1 passenger because we only have 48 seats. So I can seat at most 48 means here is the number, and it's got to be this total over here, A plus C, whatever it is, it's got to be less than or equal to 48. It can be less than 48, right? It can be 47, 46, 45, 43, but it can't be greater than 48. But it also can be exactly 48. That's why we have this equal sign. That's why number 1 and number 3 don't work. Okay, now let's look at the second equation or inequality to see which one we're going to choose, because we got 2 and 4. It says the bus company must make at least $650. So that means I need to make a minimum of $650 to cover my costs, right? Or to make a profit. So $650, $649 won't work. $600 won't work. $630 won't work. $650 will work. $651 will definitely work. $6,000 will definitely work. So anything equal to $650 or greater will work. So which one of these inequalities, 2 or 4, says that? So basically you're saying once we get all the money, it has to be equal to $650 or greater than $650. It's this one, not this one. So at least means greater than or equal to. At most means less than or equal to. That's all you need to know for this question in order to answer it. Now, if you didn't know that before you watch this video, please make a video, some note cards with those words, at most, at least. So if you see this on June 17th, you'll be ready for it. At most means less than or equal to, and at least means greater than or equal to. All right, that's all you needed for this question. The answer is 2. I'm going to stop and I'm going to post this.